sometimes a Jordan 4 come out and you got to make sure you get it for the family. So when I first saw these was coming out last September and they finally dropped last week, I said I got to get one for my son and, of course, myself. Hit the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, you know what the YouTubers say. Subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. It really helps the channel. Today, we are here to talk about the Jordan 4 Military. And if you know, this is a straight play off the Jordan 4 Military Blues. You insert the black where the blue was. Still sexy, man. I mean, not a big fan of Jordan 4s anymore. I think the only one I still have in my collection is the Travis Scott 4s. I even let go my Bread 4s, man. I mean, I wasn't wearing them, and I knew somebody wanted to put those straight to feet. That's a lot of people grail, so I got rid of them. But as far as the 4s, this is the only one still in my possession. But today we're here to talk about the Military 4 Blacks. Clean shoe. Basic black and white yin yang theory, but clean shoe, guys. Not a glue stain. Oh, man, this is a nice shoe. Hit the music, man. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So for the men, we get a nice box. What Jordan's been doing lately is giving us the Spartacool elephant print only on the bottom of the box. Here we got it all around the box. The top, the bottom, the sides, all Spartacool all around. Also at top of the box, you got the words Flight with a red Jordan Jumpman dead center in the middle. The back of the box, all your bells and whistles, Nike, swoosh, etc., etc., etc. Flight in the left corner at the top. Well, you're right, my left. You know what I mean. Flip open the lid, and nothing really screams military at you in the box at all. But some of the same things you see at the top. You got the Spartacools on the paper. White inside, briefcase looking tabs here. I'm being descriptive, man. I don't like nobody to get caught with no fakes, man. That's what I try to do for you guys. So you have this little pull-out thing here. I guess that's how the box connects or whatever. And when you get past your Spartacool paper, you finally get to the shoes. And we're going to start with the left shoe. So I'm going to give you guys a 360 view before I say anything about this shoe. So let's start with what y'all know I don't like, and that's the back. You know we need Nike Air on the booty, but still a clean sneaker, man. You got your Michael Jackson, don't matter if it's black or white look. The leather is beautiful. A1 premium beautiful. Look at the tumbleness on the toe box, guys. Sheesh, man. So around the white toe box leather, you got nubuck suede light gray. Let's call it heather gray because Essential Sphere Guard showed me a new gray. I call this light heather gray around the toe box. And that stops there. To be honest, this doesn't even look like a regular Jordan 4 with this color blocking here. This color blocking makes it look like more of a Jordan 10 around the bottom. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all know what I mean. Usually with a Jordan 4, these colors are the same. There's no different insert around it. That makes these dope to me. So you got your black plastic shoelace inserts here. Like I told you, if you've seen the military blue 4s, wherever blue is, just put black. So instead of these being blue, they're black. Plastic tips. Usually, sometimes on the Jordan 4, these are even translucent, but not these. Those are black, more of a smoke, gray black. And at the bottom, that's that gray again from the bottom of the toe box right here, holding up the heel tab. The shoelace tab. You get your regular OG Jordan 4 netting here in white with black inside of it. You can see that leather, man. That's good leather. That's all through the shoe, by the way. I think that's why these sneakers was priced at $210 instead of the $190. The materials on here are A1. So to the back, you got your Jumpman here. You know I would rather the Nike Air, but I'm not mad at it. I'm happy that they didn't include the Spartacles around the back. And now it looks more military, more stealth look. Like, they didn't put them Spartacles there. Thank you, Jordan Brand, for that. That gray on the toe box is also here again, around the back tab. Then you get to your inside, which is identical to the outside. The black at the bottom is a black. That's Army, Navy, military black. Jet black right there at the bottom. You got an air bubble here that's white inside. And that gray again creeps at the bottom. The bottom of your sneaker looks just like the top of the sneaker, incorporating the same colors, black, gray, and white. The tongue has a black Jumpman, the words flight, and a gray undertone under it. It comes with your white shoelaces. I would leave them. I like the white shoelaces, makes the sneaker clean, but I could see how you could lace swap with a gray or a black there. Or maybe a black shoelace with gray tips in it. This is the right shoe here. It's the same as the left shoe. No differences. Both have Air Jordan in back of the tongue. Upside down. That became a thing a couple of years ago. Both say flight on the tongue. And both got the Jumpman on the back. As far as the GS and the PS sizes, you're going to get your original black Jordan box with the gold logo. Gold things on the back. You're going to get the regular Jumpman 23 black and gold box. As far as the sneakers for the Tylers, the PS, the GS, it's the same exact as ours, men's and women's sizes. Same thing. They didn't cheat them with nothing. Well, kind of. If you look close, the PS sizes do not have the air bubble. I don't really see a difference, but I don't understand why they couldn't include the air bubble. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about that. Yeah, man, so at a $210 price tag for the quality, I'm not mad. And this is the first Jordan this year that's came out and the resale value is higher than the retail. I don't know because it's the classic military blue that people are going crazy over, or Jordan Brand decided to keep a couple of these in the tuck for later. Because right now on StockX, gold prices is at $300 to $350 off a $210 sneaker. So I know resellers are happy, man. I wasn't a big fan of the military 4s because I was a Columbia guy with the 4s and I got rid of those two. like these black ones, man. This is a sneaker you could wear to prom, you could wear with a tuxedo, you could wear with your streetwear. It's just that clean. Like I told y'all, the yin yang theory with black and white situation, and I feel like they added the gray perfectly to color block the black and white so it doesn't look like a basic Jordan sneaker. I gave y'all a review of the Jordan 7s, the navy blue or midnight navy, and that sneaker just looked blue and white. I told y'all in that review if they added a little gray or something shiny, it would have made the sneaker pop. The gray hair really blended this sneaker together. Let me know in the comment section below, did y'all cop? Are y'all looking to cop? Someone asked me, do I think prices are going to go down? Maybe. I feel like it's a restock brewing somewhere. Finish Line, JD Sports, DTRL. I feel like it is. But if it is, it's being real quiet about it. Prices was $400. They went down to $350. Today they at $300. So I would say give it a couple of days. You know, more Jordans are dropping heavily. So give it a couple of days. Wait till more Jordans drop. And maybe you could catch this at like a 260, 270 after a restock. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.